ball.
Forty-three, 9-0.
Only one left last time. What's he doing?
Zamo, you hear that game where we needed 19 and last over and we got it? Last season, when that Nadine hit him. Nadine hit him. It was against, who was it? Sensor? Was it Sensor or something? They were celebrating before they won the game. We lost over and he was one of their guys where they were saying, oh, we've done this, we've done that. Next thing, the guy hits 19 and over.
I was telling you, how big and he timed this shot, yeah? And there was a branch this thick on other side of the boundary, well far away. He hit that branch and the ball, because he was still traveling,